Hello everyone! Welcome back to our cozy crochet space. Today we're making a lovely crochet flower bag charm, a simple yet elegant accessory that you can hang on your purse, backpack, or even gift to someone special. We'll use 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook for this project. If you're ready to brighten your day with some flower power, let's get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you won't miss our next creative projects. Let's crochet some happiness. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Crochet 8 single crochets SC into the ring, then slip stitch Sul ST to join. Great job! This forms the center of our flower. Tip: don't pull the ring too tight at first. It helps your stitches sit more comfortably. Now for round 2, chain 1 and make 8 increases. That's 2 single crochet in each stitch. Then slip stitch to join. Well done. Your circle should start expanding. Tip: place a stitch marker at the beginning of the round if you need help keeping track. Round 3, single crochet into the first stitch, then repeat the pattern. Chain 8, turn, skip 3 stitches, make 5 SC, skip 1 stitch, slast. Do this 8 times total to form the base of the petals. Amazing work! This round is where the flower shape begins. Tip: be patient with the petal loops. They'll look better once we finish the next round. Round 4. Into each petal base, crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Repeat this 8 times, 1 for each petal. Beautiful. Your flower now has its full shape. Tip: gently adjust each petal with your fingers to make them look even and fluffy. You're doing great. For round 1 of the clover leaf, start with a magic ring, crochet 4 single crochets, then sloshed to close the round. That's a cute little base. Keep it loose so we can add more details in the next round. Round 2, chain 1, then make 4 increases, 2 single crochet in each stitch, and slip stitch to join. Nice work. We're growing the base for the clover leaves. Round 3 is fun and decorative. Repeat this pattern 4 times. JH5, 2 triple half double crochet, G, puff stitch, E, 2G, JH5, SLS. Wow, you just crocheted some beautiful leaves. Tip, keep your tension loose on the longer chains for a softer look. And finally, let's make the string. Simply chain 90. That's it. This will help you tie or hang your flower charm anywhere you like. You can adjust the length to suit your style. You did it! Your crochet flower bag charm is ready to shine. I hope you enjoyed this calming and creative session. If you love this project, please like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming crochet ideas. Keep creating and spreading joy with every stitch. See you in the next video.